Training has literally changed my life. I bet you didn't realize how powerful training can be. It can improve your health, it can make you stronger, it improves your endurance, it improves your brain function, and most importantly, it can change your life tenfold. Let me tell you how training changed my life when I was lost. So for me, I began taking training seriously after I got out of a bad relationship, a toxic relationship. So I'm gonna tell you my story to a T. After that relationship, my training cycle went like this. 6 a.m., alarm went off, I was up. By 6:30, I was out the door. I would do a full body workout with a HIIT workout at the end or at the beginning of it. And throughout that journey, that's what I did, cyclical, boom, boom, boom. That was my therapy because shortly after that relationship, I lost myself. Because you no longer have that person there with you that you with all the time, so you got to fill that up with something. So that was essentially my therapy. But I'm a big proponent of believing when you lose something, you always gain something in return. And the thing I gained in return was this mantra that I created called oxygen, which was to push yourself beyond your limitation in everything you do. So during my workout, I would say oxygen to fuel me, to push me to get extra reps, to get extra sets. Now, if that's something that resonates with you, and you want to be a person, or you're already a person that pushes themselves beyond their limitation in every single thing they do in life, click the link in the description below. Get a free ebook on how training can create a better you. We all have different stressors in our life, whether it's work, bills, or that asshole in traffic. Training allows you to let loose and release those feel-good endorphins to quickly improve your day and clears your mind to automatically improve your focus. Now, if you're still here, you're part of the in crowd. Do me a favor and drop a comment. I'm still here. Training has been proven to improve the quality of your life and build resilience. Not to mention it teaches you to push through the tough times. Just look at me sprinting and pushing myself to my limit. Yes, without a doubt, it's hard and it doesn't feel good at all. I am not a pro athlete, but I could have been. I'm simply doing this to stay in shape, better myself, maintain my speed for rugby, and push myself beyond my limitations to continue to get better. If you are consistently training and showing yourself you can actually run that 5K or do those weighted pull-ups, you will not only gain confidence and look better, but it's real life proof that you can handle the pressure, which in turn will spill over to other parts of your life. Now, when I say training, I'm not only referring to exercise, I'm referring to the mind, body, and spirit. Training is all about becoming the best version of yourself. It's all about facing challenges head on. So if you are feeling stuck and overwhelmed, maybe it's time for you to bring more training into your life. It may bring you some abs, which is a great benefit, but it also brings you clarity, reduces your stress, and then also it brings you a belief in yourself, and that's greater than no other. If you want to join the training squad community that's all about pushing themselves beyond their limitation, every single thing that they do, check out my newsletter. And then also, if you want to show it, go to oxseason.com and don't forget, go fucking train.